I'll tell you what I'm tired of. I'm tired of being at conferences or listening to the National Public Radio, and it's time for the Q&A. Let's open the phones. Let's open the floor for questions, and somebody asks a question, and automatically the speaker says, "Great question." Now, why do they say that? I think they say it, if I had to guess, they say it out of a combination of relief that that anybody bothered to ask a question at all. It's a stalling tactic. While they're saying great question, they're trying to think of an answer to the question, which might not be great at all. And I think they just do it to basically flatter the person, because if you flatter the person by saying they had a great question, maybe they'll be less critical of your dumb response. But I mean, people ask questions. How many times should a blogger post every week? Great question. Who do you think will be most remembered in rock and roll history? The Cars or Men at Work? Great question. Where's a good place to eat in Dayton, Ohio? Great question. You know what? Those are not great questions. They're not even good questions. Great questions are rare. What are great questions? To be or not to be? That's a great question. If a tree falls in the forest, does it make a sound? Great question. Do humans have free will? Does God exist? These are great questions. Would you rather be attacked by 100 ducks or one horse-sized duck? These are great questions.